Hello friends, this is a crochet Mickey Mouse Christmas stocking. For this pattern I am using 3 color of first wet yarn, 1 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First make slip knot. And make 1, 2, 3 chain. First 2 chain count as a first half DC and make 1 half DC in the third stitch from your hook and make total I have 2 half DC. You make 8 more half DC in the same loop or same stitch. Then here I have joined it with slip stitch and make 2 more chain, count as a first half DC and make 1 more half DC in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch and make 2 half DC. You make 2 half DC in the every stitch. You repeat all around. I have completed my second round. For third round, make 2 chain, count as a first half DC. Make 1 more half DC in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make only 1 half DC. Go to the next, make 2 half DC. You repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my third round and cut the yarn and join or attach the red color yarn with slip stitch. And make 1 more chain. This 2 chain is count as a first half DC and make 1 half DC in the every stitch. You do not increase any stitches in this row. Join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain and then start from here, make 2 chain and go to the next stitch and make 1 half DC. You make 1 half DC in the every single stitch. You do not increase any stitches in the next 7 to 8 rows. You make the 7 to 8 rows of the. I have completed my 9 rows of the half DC and cut my extra yarn, and then this is the portion of the sole. Then I will make this portion, heel portion. For this pattern you will need black color yarn and you divide it into equal parts, and then you join the first you count your stitches and then you divide it. Total my stitches are 30. I am working on only the 15 stitches. Attach the yarn, black color yarn, with slip stitch and make one more chain counter J, first half DC, and make one half DC in the next 14 stitches. I have completed my 15 half DC in the 15 stitches. Here you skip the 15 stitch and then you make 2 more chains in the last stitch and turn your work and make one half DC in the next stitch and make one half DC in the every 14 stitches. Make one more row in the same stitch. And then you fold in back side. This is the back side of your stocking and you join together with slip stitch. Or single crochet. And cut the extra yarn. And then you turn over and you go to the front side and then this is the heel portion and you join your red color yarn in the corner or the red color stitch here. You join it with slip stitch and repeat the 1 chain, count as a first half DC and make 1 half DC in the every single stitch